IFAD. What is the full form of IFAD? The full form of IFAD is the International Fund for Agricultural Development. It is a specialized agency of the United Nations that focuses on reducing poverty and hunger in rural areas across the world. IFAD supports farmers, rural communities, women, and small agricultural businesses by providing financial assistance, training, and development programs. Established in 1977, IFAD works with the governments and organizations to improve food security, increase agricultural productivity, and create better livelihood opportunities for people living in rural regions. Full form International Fund for Agricultural Development, founded 1977, headquarters Rome, Italy, parent organization United Nations UN, objective rural development and poverty reduction, members more than 175 countries, focus area agriculture, food security, rural finance, climate resilience. Why was IFAD established? IFAD was created after the 1974 World Food Conference when global leaders recognized the urgent need to address food shortages and rural poverty in developing countries. The organization was formed with the mission to help poor rural population improve their livelihoods, increase agricultural production, promote sustainable farming, reduce hunger and malnutrition, support climate resilient rural development. Main objectives of IFAD: reducing rural poverty. IFAD aims to uplift poor rural communities by improving access to income generating opportunities and essential services, improving food security. The organization supports projects that increase food production and ensure better nutrition for vulnerable populations, supporting small farmers. IFAD provides financial and technical assistance to small scale farmers, helping them adopt modern farming methods and technologies, empowering women and youth. Special focus is given to rural women and young people by creating employment opportunities and promoting entrepreneurship. Climate resilient agriculture. IFAD promotes sustainable farming practices to help communities cope with climate change and environmental challenges. Key functions of IFAD: provides low interest loans and grants to developing countries, funds agriculture and rural development projects, helps improve irrigation, storage and rural infrastructure, supports rural financial services and microfinance, encourages innovation in agriculture, works on climate adaptation and sustainable farming. IFAD's role in India. India has been one of the major beneficiaries of IFAD supported projects. The organization has partnered with the Government of India to improve rural livelihoods, tribal development, agricultural productivity, women's self-help groups, water management and irrigation systems. Several projects are focused on empowering marginalized communities and promoting sustainable agriculture in India. Major areas supported by IFAD: agricultural development, rural infrastructure, financial inclusion, climate action, nutrition and food system. IFAD plays a crucial role in achieving the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal (SDGs), especially no poverty, zero hunger, gender equality, climate action. By investing in rural people, IFAD helps create stronger economies, better food system and sustainable development worldwide. IFAD is one of the few UN agencies dedicated exclusively to rural development. It has supported hundreds of millions of rural people globally. IFAD invests heavily in climate resilient farming initiatives. The organization